Python data types: numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, and sequence data type. So we are done with numeric data type, that is integer, float, and complex number. Then we have also seen boolean data type. We are done with set data type, and now we are looking at the sequence type of data type, in which there are three types are included, that is string, tuple, and list, out of which strings and list we have seen, and tuple we have started with. Okay, so let's just take the review of the last lecture, what we have seen: sequence data type. So string, list, and tuple. What is sequence? Sequence is the ordered collection of similar or different data type. Okay, sequences allows to store multiple values in an organized and efficient fashion. Okay? So it's like an array, but it's a ordered collection of, it can be similar or different data type, unlike array. Okay, so what is string? You know, as a string are arrays of bytes. So this is a string. We have seen how to create a string. Let me check somebody's. Okay, and let's right. Okay, so creating a string, we have seen how to create a string, how to access the elements, deleting and updating from the string. So we have seen it yesterday. All these string methods, there are various string methods. So you can go to this website and you can check with the string methods. So this is a list. Lists are just like an arrays declared in other languages, means other programming languages. So list need not be homogeneous. Array is a homogeneous collection of elements, but list need not be homogeneous. So it's a powerful tool in Python. So it may contain integers, strings, as well as it may contain objects. But the important thing is lists are mutable and hence they can be altered. So like string data type is unmutable. Once the string is declared, we cannot change the content of the string. That is, we cannot change the words or characters in the string, or we cannot delete it. But in the list, we can update, delete element from the list. So we have seen this: adding elements to a list, accessing elements from a list, removing elements from a list. Okay. Then tuple. What is a tuple? Tuple is an ordered collection of Python objects, much like a list. So the sequence of values stored in a tuple can be of any type and they are indexed by integers. So just a minute, I have a call. Just hello. हाँ बोला. हाँ हो झालं. माझं झालं. हो माझा तोच प्रॉब्लेम येत होता. मला वाटलं लँडलाईन बघून उचलते. हो ठीक आहे चालेल. Hello. So tuple is an ordered collection of Python objects, much like a list. The sequence of values stored in a tuple can be of any type and they are indexed by integers. So what is the difference between list and tuple? The important difference between list and a tuple is tuples are immutable. Also, tuples are hashable, whereas lists are not. It is represented by tuple class. Okay. Right. It is represented by tuple class. So what is the difference between list and tuple? That tuple is immutable, whereas list is mutable. What is the difference? Immutable and mutable. Mutable means we can change the element of the list, but a tuple, it's immutable. That means we cannot change the elements of the tuple data type. So tuples are hashable, whereas lists are not. It is represented by tuple class. So as a string class is there, list class is there, we have tuple class also. So creating a tuple, In Python, tuples are created by placing sequence of values separated by comma with or without the use of parentheses or grouping of the data sequence. Tuples can contain any number of elements and of any data type. For example, like strings, integers, lists, etc. Tuples can also be created with a single element, but it is a bit tricky. Having one element in the parenthesis is not sufficient. There must be a trailing comma to make it a tuple. So what is important point here to note is creation of Python tuple without the use of parenthesis is known as tuple packing. Okay, so let's see the program, example Python program to demonstrate the creation of a tuple. Should be tuple over here. Okay, so creation of tuple. Right. So let's see the program. Example 8. I think example 8 is there. Yeah. Yes, it's a tuple. Okay. Creation of tuple should be there. Okay. So first of all, creating an empty tuple. So what we have done here, T1 is a variable or object of type tuple. How it has taken, I have not declared any word tuple over here. So Python automatically takes the type of the variable which is declared. So I have declared only open and close brackets, parenthesis. So knowing this parenthesis, it has already considered this T1 as a tuple data type. Okay. So print initial empty tuple. So we are printing here the tuple, right? After that, creating a tuple with the use of strings. So I am creating here a tuple. So tuple 1 is a variable. So I have provided two strings over here, Python programming with open and close bracket and comma separated between the two values. So we are printing a message tuple with the use of a string, and we are printing here the tuple values. That is Python and programming will be printed over here. Now the next is creation of tuple with the use of list. So we are going to create a tuple with the help of a list. Okay. So here I have to declare a list first of all. So list 1 is a variable of type list. Why list 1 is a type of list? Because I have declared it with a square bracket. So when you declare a set or anything with a square bracket, it is a list. Okay. So it is a list over here. So curly bracket, open and close, in this comma separated values 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So this is a list. Now I will add this list to the tuple. So how I have added it? So print tuple using list. So here print tuple in bracket list. So I have passed list as a value to the tuple. How I have passed it? Through the open and close parenthesis. Okay. Then creating a tuple with the use of built-in function. How we are can we create a tuple with the use of built-in function? Yes. How do we do that? So tuple 1 is a variable of type tuple. So tuple in bracket programming. What is tuple over here? Tuple is a type of a sequence. So it is written over here built-in immutable sequence. Okay. So what is written over here is, if no argument is given, the constructor returns an empty tuple. If iterable is specified, the tuple is initiated from the iterable's items. So that means it is an object. Okay. So tuple is a class, right? So here also we have used tuple as a class, and it's a constructor. Basically, tuple is a class in the Python, so it's a constructor. So I am providing one argument to the constructor over here. Also here I have provided one argument to the constructor. So it's a tuple class, and this is an argument which I have provided over here, and I'm just printing it. So print tuple, it will print this variable or the value which we have passed through the built-in function, okay, which is a constructor. Now creating a tuple with nested tuples. Okay, so what is a nested tuple? So here I am creating one tuple here, tuple 1 with the values 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, tuple 2 with the values strings, that is Python programming, and tuple 3 here with tuple 1 and tuple 2. That means tuple 3 will have the both the values of tuple 1 and tuple 2. So we are going to print with nested tuples. So I'm directly printing over here tuple print tuple 3. Okay, so let's execute this program. Okay, so see this is a initial empty tuple. Here I have actually, so this is the initial empty tuple. After that, tuple with the use of string, which we have declared over here, tuple with the use of string, then tuple with the use of list, which we have passed over here. So यहाँ पे हमने list को pass किया था tuple. So this is the tuple with the list, tuple with the use of function. So this programming. Okay, so here see this tuple with the use of built-in function. तो ये tuple जो है मैंने यहाँ पे फंक्शन को कॉल करके यह प्रोग्रामिंग पास किया हुआ है. तो ये आउटपुट देखो क्या है. सो each character has been separated. Okay, over here. So ये पूरा स्ट्रिंग मैंने पास किया था, उसको सेपरेट किया हुआ है यहाँ पे, and each this word is been divided into a separate character. Okay, to form a tuple. So this is how we can do it with the help of a function. Okay, so this is a tuple with the use of function, and then tuple with the nested tuples. So we have created two tuples with 0, 1, 2, 3 and with the strings Python programming. So here it is printing tuple 3, so tuple 3 containing the values of tuple 1 and tuple 2. So this is how we can create the tuple in Python. Let's go to the PPT. So this is how the tuple creation is done. Okay, then next is deleting and updating elements of a tuple. So in Python, deletion or updation of a tuple is not allowed. Why? Because tuple is immutable object. This will cause an error because updating or deleting from a tuple is not supported. This is because tuples are immutable. Hence, elements of a tuple cannot be changed once it has been assigned. Only new tuples can be reassigned to the same name. So let's see Python program to demonstrate the updation and deletion from a tuple. So which program is program 9? Okay, so let's see over here program 9. So see this. So this is a Python program to demonstrate updation and deletion of a tuple. So here I am declaring one variable tuple 1 with a tuple function. Here I am passing the list as a value to the tuple. Okay, so we are printing this tuple. So this tuple is printed over here. Then updating an element of the tuple. So मैंने यहाँ पे update करने की कोशिश की है यूजिंग द इंडेक्स. सो टपल 1 जो 0th वैल्यू है मुझे वो -1 से चेंज करनी है और फिर उसके बाद में मैंने उसको प्रिंट किया है. उसके बाद में डिलीटिंग एन एलिमेंट फ्रॉम अ टपल, तो मैंने ये डिलीट फंक्शन यूज किया है यहाँ पे, डिलीट टपल 1 और सेकेंड इंडेक्स वाला एलिमेंट मुझे यहाँ पे डिलीट करना मैंने प्रिंट किया है. लेट अस ट्राई टू एग्जीक्यूट दिस प्रोग्राम and check out with the output what it gives. So here it has printed the initial tuple. Okay, look here, the initial tuple is printed, right? बाद में क्या है, यहाँ पे एरर है. क्या एरर है? It's a type error. Okay, tuple object does not support item assignment. तो ये जो ये है, इसको यहाँ पे एरर आया हुआ है, यहाँ पे हम इसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते. So it will give an error which is called as a type error. Okay, So whenever you will try to change, delete or update the tuple value, then it will give you error. So this is all about the tuple. Okay. So thank you. So this is all about the sequence data type in Python.